In this video, I'm going to show you how you can print a Canva brochure. So once you've got your brochure opened on Canva and you've edited it how you want it to, you can then go ahead and click on share in the top right hand corner. Now I wouldn't click print with Canva because that's going to try and upsell you a finished product made by Canva. So what I would do is I would go share in the top right hand corner and then click on download. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and download this brochure. So we're going to download it as a PDF file, so we'll choose here PDF print, and you can go ahead and then select the pages. I'm going to select 1 and 2. Then if you want to change it to CMYK, I would recommend it if you can, because that will be the best for printing. So that's going to give you the best colors for printing, but it is only available for Canva Pro. If you don't have it though, you can continue with RGB. Then click download and it will download your brochure as a PDF. Once you've then got your PDF downloaded, you can go ahead and open it, and then to print it you want to click on the print icon in the top right hand corner. Then go ahead and click and find your printer. From here you can go ahead and adjust the settings. So if you open up more settings, you can change it from pages per sheet to 2, and then that's going to put your whole brochure here on an A4 piece of paper, and you can then print this, and then you'll be able to fold it, as you can see where the lines will be, and it will be on one A4 piece of paper. So go ahead and then click print, and then it will print to your connected printer.